Okay, so let's do a loving kindness meditation. One of the most studied forms of meditation, shown to have the most incredible benefits. Let's get in a nice, comfortable position, maybe with your back up straight. I find lying down tends to invite me to go to sleep. I don't know about you, but you do whatever works for you. So I'm Paul Sheppard. I want to say welcome to the Mindset Change podcast. And we're going to begin with just connecting with your breath now. Closing your eyes. Be aware of bringing your attention down to your stomach. And this will help you begin to breathe slow and low, which helps trigger the parasympathetic nervous system and tells the brain that you are safe. In each out breath is an invite, a way of letting go, surrendering to the present moment, to the here and now. Just see if you can get a sense that when you are sitting within this type of meditation, that your mind can feel like it's opening wide to be receptive, to explore, and to connect in this meditation. What's also very interesting is how there's a cloud of sensation happening around you right this very moment. Your body rising and falling. Might be an itch. Sensations in your fingers, in your toes. Variety of sounds happening around you. And you don't have to focus on any one in particular. You can with a breath. Just become aware of everything that's happening around you all at once. Everything that's spontaneously appearing within your awareness. And just sit there and accept whatever is coming and going for you. Now I invite you to think of someone you care deeply about. It could be a friend, a lover, a member of your family. But don't get lost in choosing. This is just an exploration. And when you think of that person, just expand that image, if possible, so that it's large and colourful. And as you bring them to mind, can you get a sense of how you feel when you think of them? And where do you feel it? Now picture them looking truly happy, looking peaceful, looking healthy, looking at that big smile on their face. Maybe give them an inner smile. And how does that feel? And as you see them in your mind, create an intentional wish that they get in life what they want. You can say, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. May you be safe. Can you get a sense of the changes you feel in your mind and body when you picture this person and you send them good intentions? Let's do it again. Bringing them to mind. You can even put one hand on your heart if you wish to deepen its effect. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. May you be safe. And now say it to yourself. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace. May I be safe. I wonder if you can just bring in a sense of gratitude for doing this work for yourself today and bathe in how that feels. And then just for the last minute, come back to the cloud of senses, a cloud of sensations that you're experiencing, the different thoughts, bodily sensations, and sounds. And just let yourself observe without judgment. You can't underestimate the power of this type of training, what it does for your mind. and what it does for your body. There's a longer version available of this meditation on my Patreon channel, Another Level. So if you did want to take this deeper, please feel free to go there. Now, I tend to record those meditations without the music so that we can experience the full realm of our sensations without that going on in the background. But it's a personal preference. The link, if you want to join, is in the show notes. When you're ready, bring yourself back to your surroundings and think about how you could take that loving kindness into your day to day. So if you haven't already, open your eyes and remember to stay awake, stay aware, and I hope you have the most incredible day.